Well, I'm in very neutral colours today so as not to clash with the kaleidoscope of colour you're about to see inside. Follow me. For Repkulture founder Yande Adeniyi, cultural displacement sparked innovation.
When I came to Australia 17 years ago, I was constantly getting asked where you're from. And when I went back to Africa for a 6-month excursion, I was really surprised that I was getting asked the same question again. So that was very, very different for me.
Yande decided to create a cultural bridge through clothing.
So I decided to create a platform for people to showcase their heritage, and I wanted it to be a celebration of two cultures, bridging African and Australian culture together through Australian contemporary style.
And so was born this colourful clothing range, with clothes for most age groups, and sold from this new North Perth store after 4 years in Perth city centre. Most of the garments are made from organic cotton, and for many, the traditional African method of wax printing is used to apply the colourful designs onto the fabric.
So our process is that we employ some artists that then draw onto some 100% cotton fabric, they dye it and then boil it, and that brings out the colour of this fabric and also gets rid of the wax that's on the fabric in the dyeing process.
One very special piece is this jacket, designed as a collaboration for a Zimbabwean-born Afro-pop artist.
The artist came to us and we decided to create something custom from scratch. So we hired a WA-based artist to design the fabric for us, which was then sent through to Indonesia and essentially hand printed, and then went through a process of dyeing and washing and then dried out. The process itself took a few days, but it's brought out this amazing collaboration, which is a show of cultural celebration between the artist that lives here in Australia, the musician himself, and we've incorporated his lyrics into the jacket as well.
Repkulture's employees in Nigeria and Zambia, who create these garments, use the money they're paid to support their families, so completing the ethical manufacturing process in the garment design.